Hey friends, welcome to today's video, where I've gathered the latest and greatest gadgets available on Amazon. In this video, I'll be showcasing the top 5 coolest gadgets that I think you'll absolutely love. Rolling Square TAU is the emergency power bank for every device. Its carrying form factor is perfect to let you attach it to your keys when carrying it around. TAU is the best 3-in-1 power bank, fitting the Lightning, micro USB, and USB-C ports. It's the smallest power bank in the world, so you can attach it to your keychain and comfortably use it in your daily life. It's the best portable power bank and alternative to your regular, heavy battery charger. TAU features a USB-C and our patented Lightning Plus micro USB cable and is compatible with virtually every portable device in the world. Thanks to its proprietary dock, charging it is as easy and seamless as hanging your keys once you get home. Weighing only 1.4 ounces, it's as compact as a car key ring. Don't be fooled by its size, though, because when it comes to charging, it's a true powerhouse. With a capacity of 1,400 mAh. So, whether you have the latest smartphone or a trusty tablet, this little powerhouse has got you covered. Say goodbye to the frustration of running out of battery and embrace the convenience of the Rolling Square TAU, the world's smallest and mightiest power bank. The Matrix Multitool, the ultimate all-in-one tool you've been searching for. This multi-tool comes equipped with almost every tool you need, making it incredibly versatile. First and foremost, it features a pocket folding knife that allows you to handle cutting tasks with precision. The knife utilizes the frame lock mechanism, providing 2 levels of locking for smooth and satisfying opening and closing. Alongside the knife, you'll find additional handy tools such as a flathead screwdriver, wire cutter, survival whistle, and mini ruler. This comprehensive tool covers most of your daily needs throughout the day. The body of the multi-tool is constructed from a medical-grade titanium alloy, ensuring both strength and longevity. No matter the task that comes your way, this multi-tool is ready to tackle it head-on. Say goodbye to carrying around multiple tools and embrace the versatility of the Matrix multi-tool. It's the perfect companion for any adventure or everyday task, providing you with the tools you need, right when you need them. Skeye Nano Drone is your perfect companion for indoor fun and piloting practice. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills before venturing into larger drones, the Skeye Nano Drone is the ideal choice. Weighing in at a mere 0.35 ounces. Just slightly more than a matchbox, the Skeye Nano Drone is a pocket-sized powerhouse. Don't be fooled by its small size because it's equipped with a gyroscope and accelerometer, along with 3 flight modes. This makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. Even if you've never flown a drone before, worry not. The Skeye Nano Drone is designed for easy operation, allowing you to take to the skies effortlessly. With its 100 mAh battery, you can enjoy approximately 8 minutes of thrilling flight time. And when it's time to recharge, it only takes around 30 minutes to power up for your next adventure. The Skeye Nano Drone offers a perfect balance of convenience, performance, and flight experience. So whether you're looking to have some indoor fun or sharpen your piloting skills, this compact drone is ready to soar with you. Embrace the excitement of drone flying with the Skeye Nano Drone, and discover a whole new world from above. Get ready to experience the joy of flight in a compact and powerful package. Tired of juggling multiple screens to keep up with your workload? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Ultra Slim Mount, designed to make your work life easier. This innovative mount easily attaches to the back of your laptop or PC monitor, instantly providing you with additional screens. With a simple magnet attachment, you can transform your phone into a second screen for video calls, note-taking, and more. It's even strong enough to hold a tablet, offering you even more versatility. But that's not all. The ultra-slim mount also supports Qi wireless charging, ensuring that your devices stay powered up while you work. No more worrying about battery life during important tasks. To enhance your experience further, this mount comes with a detachable light specifically designed for streaming and video conferences. Say goodbye to poorly lit video calls and ensure you always look your best. If you need even more screen real estate, no problem. Feel free to use two mounts simultaneously and arrange them in any configuration that suits your needs. Customize your workspace like never before and boost your productivity to new heights. Say goodbye to screen clutter and hello to the simplicity and efficiency of the ultra-slim mount. Streamline your workflow and enjoy the convenience of multiple screens in one sleek and compact solution. If you've ever dreamed of becoming a magician capable of producing breathtaking fire tricks, then the Pyro Mini is here to make your dreams come true. This incredible gadget allows anyone to produce mesmerizing fireballs seemingly out of thin air. And the best part? No special skills are required. The Pyro Mini comes with a detachable strap, allowing you to conceal it under your sleeve for that extra touch of mystery. Imagine the astonishment on people's faces when you seemingly conjure fire from nowhere. You can even fire the Pyro Mini from another room using the remote control. With a range of up to 30 feet, you have the freedom to unleash your pyrotechnic wizardry from various locations. With the Pyro Mini, you'll become the magician you've always aspired to be. Prepare to ignite the stage with your pyrotechnic prowess and create moments of pure astonishment. So that was our list of the top 5 and coolest gadgets on Amazon you can buy. If you like this, please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.